Can you sponsor yourself for a UK visa? Most people assume only an established employer can sponsor a UK work visa. That assumption is wrong. In this video, we're going to show you how self-sponsorship actually works, what 𝐬𝐞𝐕 genuinely checks, and what it costs in 2026. What a self-sponsorship visa is. A self-sponsorship visa is not a separate visa category. It describes using your own genuine UK company to get a sponsor license, and then having that company sponsor you for a standard skilled worker visa. 𝐬𝐞𝐕 treats the application exactly the way it treats any employer's application, judged against the same genuineness and compliance standards. Who it suits and requirements. This route suits founders, consultants, and investors who are building a real, trading UK business. On the individual side, you need a genuine skilled role, a salary that meets the threshold, and knowledge of English unless you are exempt. On the business side, you need genuine trading activity, appropriate premises, and compliance systems ready from day one. The Genuineness Test. This is where most self-sponsorship applications fail. 𝐬𝐞𝐕 wants to see that your business would exist and would need your role even if the visa application did not exist. A company incorporated the week before you apply, with no clients and no premises, invites close scrutiny. A company with a real lease, real contracts, and a clear reason it needs your specific skills stands a far stronger chance. Step-by-step process. Step 1. Establish the business properly. Step 2. Build the sponsor license application, including your Appendix A supporting documents. Step 3. Submit and pay the correct fee. Step 4. Assign a certificate of sponsorship once licensed. Step 5. Submit the skilled worker visa application itself. Step 6. Meet your sponsor duties from the day the license is granted, not from the day your first worker arrives. Costs. Here are the 2026 figures, checked directly against UK government website. The sponsor license fee is £611 for a small or charitable sponsor, or £1,682 for a medium or large sponsor. The immigration skills charge starts at £480 for the first 12 months. The skilled worker visa fee starts at £819. The immigration health surcharge is £1,035 per year. Link to our free cost calculator is in the description if you want to model your own numbers. Self-sponsorship versus innovator founder. If your business already needs you in a genuine skilled role, self-sponsorship usually fits better. If you have an early stage, high-growth idea that needs endorsement first, the innovator founder visa may be the better starting point. We cover the full comparison in the guide. Your next step. That is the full picture of how a self-sponsorship visa works in 2026. Read the full written guide, linked below, and if you are building a UK business and want your plan checked against the Genuineness Test before you apply, book a consultation with our IAA-regulated team. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.